Hello and welcome to my review of Insta Quick Income by Aktar Al. Today I'm going to show you through the member area of Insta Quick Income and show you how Aktar is going to show you how you can make money fast with Instagram without even having an Instagram account. Now, I was really curious about this, so I'm glad that I got a review copy from her and was able to watch the videos and the methods of that she teaches you in her program. So at any point during this review, if you would like to just go ahead and purchase Insta Quick Income, you can click on any of these blue buttons down below here on my bonus page. If you're watching this from YouTube, there will be a link in the description below that will take you to this bonus page where you can purchase Insta Quick Income at any time and get my bonuses. If you do click through and want to get this through my link, it will take you to Warrior Plus, where you can purchase it. And then after you purchase it, you can get my bonuses by clicking on the blue button down here called Access Affiliate Bonuses after you complete your purchase. Okay, so you can access your purchase and you can access your bonuses on the same page. All right, so let me show you about what my bonuses are, and then I'm going to take you inside of the membership area and show you what you're getting. Okay, so if you get this through me today, it's only going to cost you $9.95 to get this for the front end. And I'm going to give you a copy of The Secret Weapon, which is a course by Eric Sagi. And he is going to show you how the top marketers use this method to multiply their profits. And in this method, he says it doesn't take a lot of time or money to make profits, and it also uses free traffic. Okay, so there's something you can use aside of what Aktar is going to show you in her course. And then this bonus, I'm going to give you how to write headlines that sell. This is just a short video by John O. Armstrong. And if you're going to be selling, doing what Aktar shows you in her course, this is going to help you write headlines that sell. Okay, and then I'm going to give you this course called Easy Passive Paydays by Anthony Mancuso. And in Easy Passive Paydays, he shows you a method that can make you an easy $100 or $200 a day on autopilot with free traffic. It's not the same as The Secret Weapon. It's something a little bit different. But if you have not made any money online yet, these courses may help you get started. And in this bonus, it's Jono once again, and he's going to show you how to make a squeeze page in Thrive Architect. So Thrive is not free, but if you do have Thrive Architect or you want to get it, he shows you how to make a squeeze page here, and he does a really nice tutorial on how to get it, how to do it. And then in this bonus number 5, this is a video that I've recorded, and in it shows you how to make a landing page for free. It's about a 15-minute video. It goes into great detail on how you can make your own landing page for free. And these are all things that you might want to have if you get Insta Quick Income. It will just to help your sales be more professional looking. And so once again, you can get Insta Quick Income and my bonuses by clicking on any of the blue buttons in my bonus page. So without further ado, let me just show you her sales page here. It's a very, I'll just tell you a little bit of an intro to Aktar Al. Aktar has only been affiliate marketing for 3 months, and she's already come out with her first product. And I'll be honest with you, her sales page is very simple, and so is her course page, but it doesn't matter. Like, you don't have to have a fancy sales page or a fancy course design to be able to present your content. And so let me just show you a little bit of it's not like all the other ones you see that are super long and you have to read forever and ever and ever to get the point across. So I kind of like how simple this is, to be honest with you. So there's an introductory video. The Aktar is going to tell you a little bit about what the product is about, but it's a step-by-step training. It's 100% newbie friendly, and it actually is. I can attest to that because I've gone through her course. It's a proven method income that you can make income within a few hours. There is no hype, and that is so. There is no hype. Just a great over-the-shoulder training that shows exactly what works. And you can get fast results with this. It's only $9.95 for the front end. And you can just read through the rest of this yourself. Basically, you're going to learn the fastest way to make money with Instagram without having an Instagram account. So I was very intrigued by that and quite surprised when I found what I found out in her course. So if you purchase this, she also has a few bonuses for you. She has some secret resources, and I don't know what they are. I didn't get to see them inside of the course. So that'll be a nice surprise. And she's also going to give you bonus number 2, Instagram marketing secrets. And her bonus number 3 is going to be modern Instagram marketing. And bonus number 4 is smart passive income. She offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. And yeah, so without further ado, let me take you inside of her, inside of the course page. Once again, this is a super simple setup. This is it. It's all on one page. And so inside of there, you are going to learn. With Insta Quick Income, you're going to learn how to make money with Instagram without having an Instagram account. And she's going to show you 5 methods that you can use to make money with Instagram and some secrets that no one else wants to share. Okay, so you can earn income very quickly with Instagram, take full advantage from the work of others, some legit ways of making money with Instagram even without creating an account, learn how to get paid from Instagram users and non-Instagram users, and profit by connecting the Insta Quick Income resources and learn to build residual income. Rinse and repeat the methods. And so here I'm inside her course. Her videos are not labeled, so all I can tell you is that when you click on method 1, and this being a review copy, this might not be the way it looks when you get it. It might actually say what method number 1 is. So when you open it up, there's a video inside, and it's almost 10 minutes long, and she's going to show you method number 1. And also you should know that English is not Aktar's first language, but her English is very good, but she speaks a little bit slowly, slower than me. But the methods that she shows you in here are actually really interesting, and I can see how you can make a little bit of money with this. Maybe you'll make a lot of money. It depends how far you want to go with it. But she's very sweet, and I really like this course. And then in method number 2, she's going to show you another method. These are all methods I've not seen before to make money with Instagram. And then there's method number 3, and then there's method number 4. And I'm sorry, guys, I've watched these all, but I can't tell you what the methods are because they're all secret, and I've never seen these before. So I really want you to get this course so that you can find them. And if you have not, if you've been thinking about doing affiliate marketing before and you find all the methods hard to do, or there's something holding you back from doing them, with these, you never have to make videos or show yourself on camera. So it's very, very beginner friendly. And yeah, I highly recommend that you get this. I'm going to give some of these a shot as well. So anyway, and then in method number 5, I don't know what method number 5 is because the video she showed me in here was actually, so it's titled The Secret Resources, but it didn't actually show me the secret resources. So I think this page was not really quite ready when I went to review it. But please give her a chance. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee. Go inside, try some of the methods, and you know what? Even if you don't, if you only use one of the methods, you can make $100 right off the bat with just by doing it once. So you will get 10 times your money back for paying for the price you paid for this course. Okay, so anyway, I don't know what the secret resources are. I think I'm going to purchase the course myself and find out. And then you get your bonuses. I already showed you what the bonuses are on her sales page. And then there are a couple of one-time offers. And unlike other products that you buy from the big gurus, it's so simple. You're not going to be sent through page after page after page of upsells that you have to keep clicking through to get to the sales page. Here you can click on OTO1 and you're going to see right away what it is. So it's an 8-video course with simple methods to become. She's going to show you how to become an Instagram influencer and make income fast on Instagram. So it's a whole separate course. It costs $27 and it's also newbie friendly. And yeah, sorry you guys, I was up very late last night and I'm having a hard time talking. I haven't talked yet today either. So anyway, just know that this could be very interesting if you want to become an Instagram influencer within days. And then for OTO number 2, just wait for this to load. OTO number 2 is you can get the reseller rights of INSTA QUICK INCOME of the front end video course and sell this yourself and make 100% of the profits. So if you would like to earn $67 per sale, go ahead and get the upsell and be able to sell the front end yourself. So go ahead and get the front end first. The OTOs are available anytime once you purchase the course. So everyone, that's it once again for my review for Insta Quick Income. I put the wrong name on these buttons, so I will change that probably by the time you see this. And yeah, click on any of the blue buttons if you would like to get this course by Aktar. I do quite like it. Just remember, it's very simply done. which isn't a bad thing. And my bonuses are available until June 5th, I think. Yeah, June 5th. So get them before the countdown timer runs out. And I hope that you like my review of Insta Quick Income. Insta Quick Income. And yeah, so I hope you're all well and take care, and we'll see you in the next video.